Hello students, welcome again to your EVS class. Students, today in my previous video I already completed exercise A, B, C and exercise D of chapter 12. Okay, I have already completed, and I think you have written exercise A and B in your EVS copy. So today I am going to start these four questions and their answers. Okay, so in your EVS copy, first you will write this heading: question answer chapter 12. Okay, you will add this heading, and then you will write the first question: what do you do in the school? So the answer is we read, write and learn many good manners. Okay, we read, write and learn many good manners in the school. Sorry, not full stop. In the school. In the school. Okay, complete. Second question. Second question: why do we go to bank? Why do we go to bank? So the answer is we go to bank. We go to bank deposit our money, deposit our money, money, and keep our JEWE. Okay, JEWELLERY, jewelry safe. Okay, so the answer is we go to a bank to deposit our money and keep our jewelry safe. Okay, next question. Next question: who work in police station? Okay, who work in police station? So the answer is the POLICEMEN, the policeman work in POLICE police station. Okay, STATION police station. Okay, the policeman, because policeman POLICEMEN, because there are many policemen. Okay, there are many policemen works here, so that's why policeman. Okay, so the policeman work in police station. Okay, clear? Next question, where do people go nowadays to buy things? So the answer is nowadays people, people go to big malls. Okay, big malls, 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 to buy things, THINGS, things. Okay, nowadays people go to big malls to buy things. Clear? So again I am repeating these answers. First, what do you do in the school? Now we read, write and learn many good manners in the school. Why do we go to bank? Now we go to bank to deposit our money and keep our jewelry safe. Who work in police station? The policemen work in police station. Okay. Where do people go nowadays to buy things? Nowadays people go to big malls to buy things. Clear? So students, your homework is you will write these four questions and their answers in your EVS copy. Okay, this is your homework. Clear? You will write these four questions and their answers in your EVS copy. First question, what do you do in the school? Second question, why do we go to bank? Who work in police station? And where do people go nowadays to buy things? Okay, these four questions and the answers and their answers you will write. Clear? And also, if you have not written the exercise A and B, so you will write A and exercise A and B, and then you will write the question answers. Clear? So that's it for today's class. Thank you.